Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see MCQs based on current affairs. इस वीडियो में 10 क्वेश्चंस होंगे। हर एक क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए आपको 15 सेकंड्स का टाइम दिया जाएगा। उसके बाद मैं आपको सही आंसर बताऊंगा। दोस्तों, यह वीडियो एक क्विज की तरह है। प्लीज मेरा वीडियो अगर पसंद आया तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब कीजिए ताकि आप कोई भी वीडियो मिस ना कर सके। सो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, the US presidential elections are scheduled to be held on which day? Option A, November 3, option B, November 4, option C, November 11, option D, November 12th. And answer for this question is November 3. The US presidential elections are scheduled to be held on November 3, 2020. The US President Donald Trump has denied making any changes in the schedule of the US presidential elections 2020. amid COVID-19 outbreak. Next question is, who represented India at Petersburg Climate Dialogue? Option A, Prakash Javadekar, option B, Piyush Goyal, option C, PM Narendra Modi, option D, Dr. Harshvardhan. And answer for this question is option A, Prakash Javadekar. Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar attended the 11th session of Petersburg Climate Dialogue on behalf of India on April 28, 2020. The dialogue was hosted by Germany and co-chaired by the United Kingdom. Next question is, according to the GREET 2020 report, how many people were displaced in 2019? 2 million, 4 million, 5 million, 3 million, 4 million. And answer for this question is option B, that is 5 million. Over 5 million people faced displacement in India in 2019, which is the highest in the world as per the global report on internal displacement GREET 2020. The report was released by the Internal Displacement Monitoring Center. As per the report, 33.4 million people faced displacements in the world due to conflicts and disasters. Next question is, which nation was the top military spender in 2019? China, India, US, Russia. Read question properly and options properly. And answer for this question is option C, United States. The United States was top military spender in 2019, followed by the China and then India. The United States spent 732 billion USD for military purpose in 2019, which was 5.3% higher than its military expenditure in 2018. Next question is, which state's chief minister has launched Jagannath Vidya Divina scheme? Option A, Telangana, option B, Andhra Pradesh, option C, Tamil Nadu, option D, Karnataka. And answer for this question is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh chief minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy launched the Jagannath Vidya Divina scheme on April 28, 2020 at Tedepalli in Guntur district of the state. Under the scheme, rupees 4,000 crore have been released along with rupees 1,880 crore towards pending amount left by the earlier government. Next question is, which among the following space telescopes celebrated 30 years of its launch on April 24, 2020? Option is Spitzer, option B, Astrosat, option C, Odin, option D, Hubble. And answer for this question is option D, Hubble. NASA's Hubble Space Telescope celebrated 30 years of its launch on April 24, 2020. Hubble is one of the highest living space telescopes in the world. The Hubble telescope had first detected the evidence of existence of black holes in the center of galaxy. Next question is, which nation has lost the hosting rights of the 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship? Germany, India, Japan, United States. Answer for this question is India. Option B, India. India has lost the hosting rights of the 2021 Men's World Boxing Championship after the Boxing Federation of India failed to pay the host fee to the International Boxing Association. Next question is, which Pakistani cricketer has been banned for 3 years for failing to report corrupt approaches? Option A, Umar Akmal. Option B, Shadab Khan. Option C, Asif Ali. Option D, Imad Wasim. And answer for this question is Umar Akmal. Pakistani cricketer Umar Akmal was banned by the Pakistan Cricket Board on April 27, 2020 for 3 years. The ban has been imposed on the Pakistani batsman for failing to report corrupt approaches ahead of the country's T20 Premier League this year. Next question is, which nation is looking to make travel exemptions for the Indian cricket team's tour later this year? Option is South Africa, option B, New Zealand, option C, Australia, option D, England. And answer for this question is option C, Australia. The Australian government is looking to make travel exemptions for the Indian team's tour down under later this year to save the Australian Cricket Board. Cricket Australia, which has laid off almost 80% of its employees, is under huge financial pressure in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic. It's COVID-19, not COVID-9. Okay, this is correction. Next question is, who has been appointed as India's permanent representative to the United Nations? Option A, Deepak Mittal. Option B, Piyush Srivastava. Option C, T.S. Tirumurti. And option D, Jaideep Muzumdar. And answer for this question is option C, T.S. Tirumurti. T.S. Tirumurti appointed as India's next ambassador and permanent representative to United Nations on April 19, 2020. Tirumurti is a 1985 batch IFS officer. He will be succeeding Syed Akbaruddin, who is due to retire shortly. So this is all about today's video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा तो प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए. थैंक यू.